Are you thinking about moving to San Rafael? Well, in this video, we'll take you inside the computer and show you everything there is to see on a Google map. That way you can get a good idea of San Rafael neighborhoods, the different attractions, and why it is the most populated city in Marin County. I'll walk you through that, and be sure to stick around to the end because I will share with you a San Rafael fact that most people don't know. So let's get into it right now. Hey, if this is your first time to the channel and you want to learn everything there is about living in Marin County and all the areas inside of Marin County, then subscribe below, tap the bell for notifications so you can be the first one to know. My name is Tyler and I get calls every day from people just like you looking to make the smooth move to Marin, and I absolutely love it. So whether you're looking to make the move in 10 days or 3 months, just give me a call, shoot me a text or an email. I'm happy to help you make that smooth move to Marin. So let's get into it. All right. Let's get into it. Got the San Rafael Google Maps pulled up, and as I mentioned, San Rafael is the most populated city in Marin County with just over 60,000 people. The median household income is right around 105,000, and the median value of owner-occupied units, that's condos and single-family residence, is just over $1 million, about $1,050,000. And San Rafael is broken down and divided into several distinct neighborhoods. Santa Venetia here in northern Marin, Terra Linda, you have the Kaiser Hospital. One of my favorite areas is the China Camp, Glenwood area here. Downtown San Rafael, you have the canal here and Gerstle Park with the wonderful Victorians. And San Rafael is centrally located, so it's really the ideal starting point. You have the 580 here that connects to Oakland. You have, of course, the 101 connects here to San Francisco, which is about 15 minutes to the bridge and about 18 miles and 35 minutes or so to downtown San Francisco. And you have, it's about 50 minutes to Napa in the wine country. So there's close proximity to many things, particularly, you have the Richmond San Rafael Bridge here. And of course, Golden Gate Bridge here. In terms of attractions for San Rafael, for cuisine, San Rafael has some excellent cuisine, whether you're looking for Italian, wonderful Indian, Thai food, Chinese and Japanese, and of course, you zoom in here downtown, soul food, which is incredible. If you've never been to soul food, it's really a local establishment here. There's one also in Mill Valley and up in Petaluma as well. I recommend the beefsteak sandwich or the 2-piece chicken meal. It's incredible. In terms of the different destinations, the big one is going to be the Marin Civic Center. This was designed by the famous architect Frank Lloyd Wright. And he completed that in 1962, and it is considered one of his last great works. So it's been designated a historic landmark. This is also where the Marin Fair is, which is a wonderful fair. It typically goes on from June 30th to July 4th. Great place to bring the kids. They have excellent local music, live music, and all the farm animals and such. So it's a great time out. Additionally, downtown, the Mission San Rafael Archangel, which is a wonderful mission and church as well. And another big one is going to be China Camp. This was Chinese immigrant fishing village that once thrived there, and there's some really great historical museum, and also just the beauty right around here. You also have the Peacock Gap Golf Club, so if you're a big golfer, big fan of Peacock Gap, good food too, and a lot of recreational, as I kind of mentioned in my last video. There's a ton of recreational things to do here. You have San Rafael Bay, you can do your kite surfing, kayaking, you have the golf, of course, and one of our favorite places to go with the family is McNear's Beach. Great water views, there's some fishing there, parks, birthday parties, there's a community pool. So a lot to do there. Great Sunday atmosphere. Just zooming out a bit here. Another big, kind of popular reason why San Rafael is a destination is all the outdoor activities. So you're surrounded, of course, by the beautiful landscapes, offer various outdoor activities, hiking, biking, swimming. So that's all a huge attraction for San Rafael. And of course you have the Dominican University here. It's a wonderful college amongst the many excellent schools in the area. So that's just that is gonna do it for today. Again, if you are looking to make the move here to San Rafael, shoot me a call, give me a text, and I'd love to help you on your way. Thanks so much, and hope to see you around town.